Thanks for dropping by at the overly diversified dividend portfolio. Ticker symbol number 7. Today's pick, ticker symbol DFN.TO, trading at $7.92. Dividend info $1.20 per year per share. Payout of 10 cents per share monthly. Company info. Dividend info. Payout start 2010. Payout history stable. Dividend info $1.20 per share per year. Payout of 0.10 cents per share per month. Share price started trading December 2004 at $13.65. Currently trading at $7.92. Quick math section. If you invested $10,000 in 2004, you would have 732 shares. Today's value of those shares, $5,797. What is there like? Share price of $7.92, paying out 0.10 cents per month per share. Dividend payout of 32%, paying out a dividend since 2010, trading since 2004, company founded in 1997. Word on the street, this is a split fund. Visit the company website for investment risk. Conclusion, financial documents from company website, dividend data from dividendhistory.org, share info Yahoo Finance.